Good morning, Levi. Why did you get up so early this morning?
Too dark.
Because it's too dark?
Yeah.
No, you're supposed to sleep when it's dark, you silly.
No.
Yeah, you got up at 6 o'clock.
What is apple?
I'm sitting here trying to edit my video and you just want to snuggle.
Apple.
You want to eat an apple for breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, we could probably do that. Can you say good morning, friends?
And
Good morning, friends.
finish sleeping.
Our friends are sleeping?
Yeah.
Probably. They probably are sleeping. Because this is the time you're supposed to be sleeping. You finished it?
Yeah.
What did you eat for breakfast? Look at me. No. Oh, no. Well, you had an apple. But what was this?
My pumpkin.
Your potion?
Yes, it.
Your rice, beans, and ground beef?
Yeah, that's more on table.
Oh, you better clean it up. Yeah, you didn't finish your rice, beans, and ground beef last night for dinner, did you?
Yeah.
You just wanted to eat the chips last night, and so we saved it for breakfast. And then you ate it up for breakfast because you were sure hungry, weren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, last night all he did was eat the sour cream off the top and the chips that I gave him. I'm about to head out to run some errands. I need to take Autumn to drop her off at a friend's house, and I have some returns at Bed Bath & Beyond because I've been trying to get curtains for all the windows in the house and have some stuff to take back. But while I'm there, I want to look for a couple little things like a shower caddy. I need like a sink trap for the kitchen sink, a few little things like that. And then I just have a few other little errands to run. So I'm headed out with Autumn to drop her off, and then I'm also taking Levi just to get him out of the house a little bit. A Lego race car? Is that what you're talking about? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You love Lego race cars.
Yeah.
Say hello to the people. No. Since I'm so out of practice on filming, I have hardly taken any video today. It's almost 2 o'clock. We got home from our errands. I was able to do my return at Bed Bath & Beyond. We went to Target. I got a couple things that I needed there. Got Autumn dropped off. Now we're home. I made some hot dog wraps for lunch. Some of the sausages I got at Costco that you saw in my last Costco haul video, just wrapped in tortilla and grilled on our Cuisinart griddler. Oh, also while we were out, since I was on the other side of town near a different Costco, I stopped in to buy more stuff at Costco, even though I just did that massive haul. You can see over there I've got sandwich thins for breakfast sandwiches. When I went to the Costco that's closest to us, they didn't have the sausages. That's always the problem. I never know when they're going to have the sausages or not. So since I was over by the other one, I decided to hop in there and check real quick, and they did have the sausages, so I was able to get all that stuff. So this afternoon, I'm going to sit down and get some breakfast sandwiches made. Probably start on that after Levi goes down for his nap here in not too long. Everybody gets so excited when I make hot dog wraps, and they're seriously so simple. Since these sausages are really, really thick, I cut them in half. I also cut the tortillas in half. And just makes a perfect little wrap. You can dip them in barbecue sauce. You could put a little bit of cheese in there if you want, but that usually just, spills out as it cooks. So I usually don't, but everybody can dip it in whatever they like. And it's definitely a crowd pleaser. I don't eat the tortillas, so I'm just grilling up some plain hot dogs for myself. Those of you that have watched me for a while, you've probably seen my parchment paper trick, but it's one of my favorite kitchen hacks. Just using parchment paper on your grill makes for super easy cleaning, and it works really well. You just have to watch it when you're on super high heat because the parchment paper can burn, but you just have to kind of be careful about that. You like hot dog wraps?
Yes, I love them.
Oh, good. So what's your favorite thing about the new house so far?
I don't know. Everything?
Just everything? You love it?
Yes.
You don't want to move back?
No, never.
Never. I saw you swinging.
Yes, I did.
Did you swing today or not yet? Today?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. Yeah, here, I can show out the window. I can see from my sink. There's the swing in the tree. So Talia is off running an errand with Dad. Autumn is at her friend's house. Levi is down for his nap. Charity and Renee are out swinging on the swing. So it's just me and Poe here in the kitchen for a rare, quiet after lunch, afternoon time. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on these sandwiches, probably put on something to watch. Haven't been watching much YouTube recently, so I'll probably catch up on some YouTubers that I follow and make a whole bunch of sandwiches, and I think that'll be a pretty productive afternoon. It's gonna be a short trip. What are you looking at?
We're looking at snails.
Oh, snails, let me see.
Put them there for his home. Yeah, and I put them on this reef as their bed.
Oh, that's his little home. Oh, that's his bed. Oh, look at all the snails you found.
Yeah, and the tiniest one.
Oh my goodness, they're so little.
Probably gonna get stuck.
Oh, look at that. Made it through the path.
Yay! I'm gonna get some more snails, so we have so many, and all of the snails, we have to make some friends.
Oh my goodness, that'll be so exciting.
We find his family.
Oh, you're going to find his family?
Well, maybe. In the bed. By the time we are in the bed.
It's, yeah, monster truck wheel so big. Oh, the big truck's going to go. They delivered the trailer for the farm quad. The farm quad that Levi has dubbed the farm monster truck.
That's just a regular truck wheel.
This is a farm
Yeah,
Monster wheel.
that's a monster truck wheel, clearly.
This is so big.
We don't have the quad yet, but now we got the trailer. Hey, there you go, Levi. Hey,
Look at that one.
what's that?
How many wheels are there? Two.
So instead of a tractor, since we have a small farm, we're going to just do a farm quad with attachments instead of a tractor. See how that goes. Talia's making dinner tonight. You want to tell everybody what you're making?
Chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles. She's making the waffles from scratch, but you got chicken nuggets, right? I couldn't find chicken strips at Costco, which would have been better probably, but the chicken nuggets were on sale, so we're just doing chicken nuggets and waffles, and we're making them egg-free so that Levi can have some too. Isn't that nice? we're kind of just throwing this recipe together. We did 3 cups of flour and 3 tablespoons of baking powder and 3/4 of a cup of sugar for the dry ingredients. That could go in the dry ingredients. It's all right. Just you can unscrew the lid.
Okay.
That would work. And then for the wet ingredients, we did 2 cups of milk plus 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and let that sit together to make like a buttermilk. Then we did, 6 tablespoons of avocado oil and it was 1/4 of a cup plus 1/8 of a cup, right? Remember? And then we did 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and now she's doing 1/2 of a teaspoon. That can go in the dry. Yeah. 1/2 a teaspoon of cinnamon, and we're gonna get that mixed up and added together, and then it'll be time to cook on the grill. You don't want to mix it, like beat it. You want to just gently mix it until it's combined, and that's it, because you don't want to over mix it.
What happens if you do that?
You knock all the air bubbles out,
They'll be dense.
and then they'll be dense and not as fluffy.
We want floofy waffles.
I know you like floofy.
Floofy.
Because it'll rise, and if we overfill it, it'll gush out.
And then make a big mess.
Okay, yeah. Now do some over here.
We don't want that. I don't know. Get it off there.
That's all right. It'll fall off.
They look yummy.
Oh, there's our timer.
Set it. Be quiet.
Oof.
Goodness.
They're kind of hot. So I'll do it for you. There you go. All right. Do another. We're doing the nuggets in the air fryer. We'll see if there's just spread them out so there's an even layer. If there's a convection oven instruction on here, that's the one that you usually do for the air fryer. Oh, look, they even have an air fryer instruction now. Air fryers are so mainstream. It says, it just says refer to your air fryer manual. That's funny. Well, let's see. It says in a conventional oven, 13 to 15 minutes. So I would do 400 degrees for maybe 8 minutes. I'll try that.
Okay.
All right, turn the temp up to 400.
There we go. Okay, what are you having?
You're hilarious. Poe wants some. Now that looks like a dinner right there.
It's dinner?
And dessert, all in one.
Well, no, it's dinner and breakfast all in one.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
Where's the lunch,
and dessert.
And dessert, yeah.
Yeah.
Everything except for lunch.
Nice job. You did great.
I have food now.
Go eat.